don't like your smacky. Is what I do. Oh, isn't it? Oh, nothing. All right, guys. So today, the country's mobile testing mechanism will start rolling out as the Ministry of Health and Wellness starts to ramp up testing for the novel coronavirus. The announcement was made yesterday during a digital press conference. No, it's not true. It was made on Wednesday. Today is Friday, right? During a digital press conference on Wednesday by Dr. Christopher Tufton, who is our health minister. He said the ministry will be essentially engaging mobile units, which will be rebranded to indicate their purpose. Those units will be deployed in parishes across the country, and we're going to begin in the Southeast Regional Health Authority and the Northeast Regional Health Authority. A protocol is in place to facilitate testing. He said persons who have a desire to be tested will be subjected to that protocol. If they meet specific requirements or criteria, then the samples will be collected by those units and the test administered, and they will be contacted and given appropriate guidance and counseling. The fact that you want to be tested doesn't mean that you will be tested. So folks who have expectations, please to manage those. I guess you'll know more when the unit rolls into your community. But this is an important step.
I know, and I'm so happy that it's happening because I really believe that limited testing is what is going to allow the numbers to skyrocket because people take it for granted. Them here 40, 44, they're like, oh, you know, when really we should be taking it as a ratio as opposed to an actual number.
Our people special enough. We're special enough.
Yeah, man.
We not only float the guidance that we're given, we float the rules that are put in place, and then we brag about it on social.
And then when you know what hits the fan, we see one ball and go, low, them not help we.
I mean, we just bad so.
Help we.
Anyway, let me tell you, the JCF is not joking. And the JDF is not joking. So now is not the time.
You better smile
to farm the fool. Do not do it. Don't. This is not your video light moment.
Yeah,
wait for something more positive. Because nobody don't have no time for it. We don't have no time for it.
Yeah, it's a serious time. I don't have time for the foolishness. So I'm glad. Big ups to all the JCF and the JDF members.
For sure.
We're not doing nothing. We're not doing nothing.